Pile and pine. Pile. Pile can refer to a heap or stack of objects placed one on top of another. It can also mean a large amount of something gathered together. Examples: she stacked a pile of books on the table. There was a pile of laundry waiting to be washed. Pine. Pine can mean to have a strong desire or yearning for something or someone. It can also refer to a type of evergreen tree with needle-like leaves. Examples: he pined for his lost love. The forest was filled with tall pine trees. Differences. The key difference between pile and pine lies in their meanings and usage. Pile typically refers to a physical collection of objects, while pine is more related to emotions or a type of tree. However, both words can be used metaphorically. Pile can sometimes be used to describe a large amount of something abstract, like work or tasks, while pine can be used to express a deep longing for something. Despite their differences, both words can convey a sense of abundance or intensity, whether in physical form or emotional state.